Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to see total spent on shipping using a PayPal transaction report. PayPal transaction reports include detailed information about every payment, including shipping charges, taxes, PayPal fees, transaction dates, customer names, and payment status. If you regularly buy or sell online, these reports are useful for tracking your shipping costs, preparing business records, monitoring expenses, or reviewing your monthly and yearly spending. You can download transaction reports covering up to the past 7 years, and each custom report can include up to 12 months of activity at a time. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal website and sign into your account. Now go to History, then click the download icon. After that, select Custom. Now choose the transaction report that best matches the information you want to review. Then select the date range for your report and follow the on-screen instructions to generate it. Once the report is ready, click Download and save it to your computer. Now open the downloaded report in Microsoft Excel. Then click the row containing the column headings such as date, time, name, shipping amount, and other fields to highlight the entire row. After that, click the Data tab at the top of Excel. Now select Filter to add filter arrows to each column. Then click the filter arrow in the shipping amount column and choose the transactions you want to include. After that, click the empty cell directly below the last shipping amount in that column. Now click the Formulas tab, then select AutoSum to automatically calculate the total shipping amount for the filtered transactions. If you also want to review monthly activity, go to the PayPal account statements page, request the statement for the month you need, and download it once it's available. Keep in mind that large transaction reports may take some time to generate. In some cases, PayPal may take up to 5 business days to prepare the file, and you'll receive an email when it's ready to download. Finally, review the total shown in Excel to see exactly how much you spent on shipping during your selected time period. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.